alamin wabihi nasta'inu ala umuri dunya umaddin sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'du. So first of all, let us thank to the Almighty God who has given us His blessing and mercy so we can gather here in a good situation. Then let me introduce myself. My name is PANGGUNG and I'm now in 9th grade. I'm 9th grade in Bilingual Junior High School. So today, I want to deliver a speech about the importance of education in Indonesia. The real meaning of education is much more than success in personal and professional life. Now I ask all of you, do you know the real meaning of education? If no, raise your hand. It's okay, raise your hand. If you know. You, damn it, it's okay. Come up here. I think no one knows the real meaning of education, so I want to tell you. The education are supposed to build not only for developing the physical, social, and mental well-being, but also developing the personality and improve their skill level. The aim of education is very fast and make a person a good person. The aim and benefits of proper education are not restricted to only personal gain. Instead, it benefits other people, the family, society, and country. People in the society have different meaning, needs, and perception about education. However, the real meaning and importance of it never change. A good education helps us all to be independent in society, as well as get over the problem of poverty. Then, of course, the country will gain wealth and prosperity because of our well-educated human resources. So, brother and sister, it is said that the future of our country is in the hands of the children. And as the children in this country, we must try hard to achieve that. We have to take advantage of this chance to go to school to study. We must appreciate the effort that our parents has made to send us to school and think that there are many and a lot of children out there who can't go to school for some reason and for some problem that I can say. Dear audience, finally ask ourselves, without effort and education, how do we want to improve ourselves? How do we want to live better? In short, how do we want a better country? So, this is the end of my speech today. I hope some point that I have conveyed to you make us study more diligently for both our country and our better future. Dear audience, do you understand what I say? No. It's okay if you didn't know what I say, because there are a lot of great teachers in Bilingual Junior High School that will teach you English until you can speak very well. So, thanks for your nice attention. I'm sorry if